Hello again and thanks for joining. So it's been quite a while since I've had a Piko model on this channel, and it's certainly been a while since I've had a model this new. I did actually get this second hand, but this is a model which is still readily available brand new. It's number 54620 in the Piko range, and it represents a self-discharging coal hopper wagon, and it's a Type Ot3 used by the Deutsche Bundesbahn. In this livery it's Epoch 3, so that's 1949 to around about 1970. And of course these wagons were introduced in the 1950s, so it's bang in the middle of that. I'll tell you how much I paid for this as a second-hand model at the end of the video, and also how much these cost brand new. But for now, let's get it open and we'll check it out. Well, we've got the usual collection of Piko leaflets, including this catalogue showing other things that you can buy. Instruction sheet which shows you can add some extra pieces onto this model. And we do actually have a bag of extra parts here that we can fit if we want, and these are obviously still sealed in the factory packaging. And here is a model. It's quite an unusual hopper wagon. I really quite like the unusual stuff, and this is certainly up there. So it does have a coal load fitted in, and this falls out quite easily. And we also have a weight, which is this cylindrical bar, which is quite an interesting thing that they've decided to put that in. But that of course means that if you're going to run this without a load, it does look a bit odd, and certainly these moulding marks on the top here really spoil the effect. So I don't think you could really run this without the load in it, and also it's super light without it. So I've just put the load back in, and let's take a closer look. It's certainly got a lot of nice detail and a lot of features on this moulding. We've got some handrails already put in here in the black onto the brown plastic main moulding, and we've got a buffer beam here in black plastic as well, which has been added on. We've got couplings in NEM pockets, and they cantilever very well. It's an unusual setup that, but it certainly seems to work okay. It's got a little spring to keep it in place, and the wheels are very bright on this. You would expect them to be dulled a little bit, but they certainly revolve really well. The printing on the side is very clear in the white. You can see the DB lettering there, and also this white panel here. I guess that's some warnings or something like that. And we also have these panels down here just above the wheels. There's a little bit of detail on the springs and the axle boxes, some rivet detail as well going around this. And we've got this rather unusual part here. I guess it's part of the lifting mechanism for the little hatches on the side. No difference down this end of the wagon either. It's just exactly the same as the first. And as we look around this side, it's exactly the same too, as you'd expect. So it does look to be a one-piece moulding with a couple of extras that you can add on, and a couple of pieces already added onto it. And also I quite like the coal effect at the top there. It looks pretty good, although it is pretty flat. You'd expect a bit more contouring on that, but certainly it's quite a nice looking load. Anyway, let's put this on the scales and we'll see how much it weighs. So this wagon comes in at 67 grams. So Piko's rendition of this Type Ot3 hopper in HO scale, well, it's really quite well done, but it's very typical of Chinese-made wagons. They kind of rely on the moulding to be perfect and just one piece, which I have to say works pretty well on this wagon, and it's also got some really unusual looks. I guess the prototype must have looked absolutely crazy, and this one has certainly got a lot of character over normal little hopper wagons. It's just crying out for a bit of weathering too, so there's a lot of opportunity there to make it your own. I like the fact that it's got some extra pieces that you can put on to increase the finesse of this model, and the load as well is perfectly acceptable too. So I think this is a decent enough model, and something a bit different if you're looking for hopper wagons. Now, as well as this wagon, I've actually got another very similar one. It's this one here, and this is number 54625 in the range. It's differing because it's an Ot3, which is a brakeman's cab, so I'm just going to get this out and have a quick look at this as well alongside the one we've just had a look at. So this one does have this brakeman's cab here, and I must say you wouldn't actually see much over the train because it doesn't actually stick up at all. It's just got a tiny window as well, and we've got a brake wheel here. Aside from that, it's exactly the same as the model we just had a look at in terms of the moulding, but this one does feature dulled wheels. And if we look at the two of them together, you can see that the positioning of the lettering is different, and we've got a different little warning panel here in black rather than white. So there are a couple of differences in the transfers, but it's a very similar model as you probably would expect. So in terms of prices, if you were to buy this new, it would be around about maybe £30 to £40 brand new, but I did actually get it second hand and it came in at £20, which I think is a decent enough price because I'm pretty much getting a brand new model here. But it was a bit of a gamble. You always have a bit of a gamble when you're buying second-hand stuff, but I've certainly lucked out on this one. And I've got no problems with wagons coming from China either. I know some people do, but what's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think of this wagon. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel. I'll put this on the turntable so you can see all the way around. And in a moment, that icon that will appear is another video I've done. Just select that and I'll see you over there. But that's it for this one. Thanks for checking out this unusual wagon with me, and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model words, choo choo, model trains, in tiny worlds, choo choo, model trains, model words, choo choo.